Hey everyone, it's Caleb Daniels with Royal Volkswagen in Vestavia. I'm here to tell you about a few things you've got to know about the Volkswagen Taos compact SUV. Let's start with performance. Gas prices are on everybody's mind right now, and the Taos stands out here. You're looking at an estimated 36 miles per gallon on the highway thanks to an efficient turbocharged powerhouse. That's also plenty of onboard tech like available wireless device charging and App Connect smartphone integration. Further on inside, there are some really special touches that set the Taos apart from others in this category. The steering wheel is available in heated, leatherette-wrapped finish with multifunction controls. The available panoramic sunroof is also another highline feature that makes this feel worlds away from the run-of-the-mill compact SUV. Outside, these lines speak for themselves. You've got an available illuminated front grille and LED headlights lighting the way forward. Volkswagen has really thought of everything here, down to additions like optional rain-sensing windshield wipers. So convenient when you're trying to focus on the road in bad weather. It's affordable, it's fun, and it's for everyone. Come see it for yourself with a test drive here at Royal Volkswagen in Vestavia, off the corner of I-65 and Highway 31.